Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can upload channel art and create a channel art for your YouTube channel. Okay, it is very easy process guys. You can see this is my channel, demo channel. Here you will see there is no channel art uploaded. So I can show you, this is my other channel, Mahesh Technicals, and you can see this is channel art. So it's look like professional. Then you can see and take, it is also my channel. So you need to set channel art according to your channel. It will helpful for you and your subscribers, so it will attract subscribers actually. Okay, so just open Canva application. I already introduced this application in previous videos, so you can watch these videos, then you can watch this video. Okay, so just scroll down here and you will get YouTube channel art option here. Okay, just click on see all and you will get ready-made templates for your YouTube channel art. You can see, and you can click on blank space. With this you can customize according to you. Okay, but I am going to use custom pre-made templates here. So just select anyone, whatever we like. Let's see which is the best for my channel. Okay, so I like this one. You can see very easy and simple. Just replace some text and your channel art is ready. Just click on that and replace with your channel name. Touch your screen. Okay, done. Then change tagline here. Put your tagline according to you. Done guys, our logo is ready. You can customize everything, text, fonts, colors, size. Actually you can customize everything in this software, but I think this is it for me. So just I am going to save. Done guys, my channel art is saved in my gallery. Open any gallery and you will get this one. You can see our channel art is ready. Okay, so just now let's upload this channel art. For that, open Chrome browser in desktop mode. Okay guys, open youtube.com in Chrome browser. After that, click on your channel and open in new tab. Okay guys, then again open desktop mode, then here customize channel, long press and open in new tab, then again desktop mode. Okay, now you will get three options here. You need to select branding and you will get second option is channel art. Click on upload button here and go to gallery here and select your channel art and scroll here right side and click on save. Done guys, you can see our channel art is set. Now click on save changes in above section. Done. Now your channel art is successfully updated. Let's check. You can see our channel art is ready. So with this method you can change and create any type of channel art for your YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.